DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan lakuna this week on na country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive all touch ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remember myself, your number right activists coming standing as us very firstly, the election is about commencing proper, and by the power of our ubiquitous God, all is well. And even in fact, I must commend the military, because even while we were coming into the polling booth this morning, the polling booth in our voting center, we saw that the security architecture was designed to address every individual, regardless of your political affiliation or party relationship. So all I can assure all Edo people around the world is that all is well. And you know, we've said it before now, that you must call your family this morning for them to be part and parcel of the process. So this is specifically Ward 2 about our local government area. We are still putting all mechanisms in place while we believe that the election is going to commence by 8 a.m. in the morning, so we need to get ourselves prepared. So all what you see here is all about a representative in every unit and in every polling unit. We have different polling booths, polling units in our territory. So now we have to put all mechanisms in place to ensure that people are placed in the right place and at the right time. And so that we can be able to monitor the process in totality. And I can assure everyone that nobody can mess up. In fact, no movement. Do you know that I was not able to take my vehicle into the polling center? My vehicle. I have to park somewhere. So now before I decide to say, let me come down to where we are restructuring our organogram. So the truth is, all is well. I want everyone around the world, members, Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide, those around the world, and those who are watching me from afar, anywhere you are around the world, continue to make your call. You know, we requested something about, I will not want to say it now, but we requested that every capitals around the world should be aware of the fact that the election is going on in Edo State. I think that should be a top priority right now. But I can assure you all that all is well. In fact, the security architecture is absolutely very okay for the now. Let's continue to watch. We will continue to give reports as soon as activity progresses. It's me, your brother. I just want to bring out this update. Election have not commenced. Disregard any information stating that this one is this one is this. As we speak, propaganda is most certainly come out in all ramifications. So just say propaganda and begin to wait for reliable information. And I strongly believe that with the mechanism that we've put on ground, as of this morning, we've been, as you can see, virtually everybody here are putting on their face mask. We've already distributed face masks to so many of them here, and we'll continue to the distribution. This was solely sponsored by members of the Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide. We've done that, and I strongly believe that the resultant will be efficacious. So let us keep our hope intact. Let us continue to call our people. Even if you continue to shout 4+4 talk back, 4+4 talk back, and you refuse to call your people back home, we might not be able to achieve the desired result. So the only panacea for us to achieve this desired result is for us to begin to call them, and it's already past this age. Wake them up, let them go to their various locations to cast their vote. And I can, by the power of our ubiquitous God Almighty, owing to the fact that we have the people with us. Now, in our party, as far as we are concerned, in the People Democratic Party, we believe that we don't have Godfather, but we have God the Father. The God the Father and the people will decide the future of these elections. Voice populi, voice the he. The voice of the people is the voice of God. And I know, by the power of our ubiquitous God, the resultant will be efficacious. Thank you very much once again for listening to me. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Usakunokudi, reporting live through Usakunokudi Media Group.
DJM TV.